In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app. Following that, select Pictures at the bottom left corner or Albums right next to them. Let's start with Pictures. To delete multiple, hold the chosen one and click on this dot at the top left corner. Then tap on all of your photos that you wish to keep and delete the rest by hitting Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. If you want to delete it from albums, just click on the chosen one. Hold one of your pictures and click on the same icon at the top left corner. Then remove them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!